So the water and waste materials exiting the tank comes out of these PVC pipes, and you can see under this grating they are all collected in a main drain pipe that runs underneath the grating. And as I go along here, you can see the other tanks, their drains tying into this main line. So this drain line is actually installed with a slight slope, and that causes the waste material and the water to drain back towards our primary filtration. So they ultimately end up back into what we call our swirl separator. And we can see here that our swirl separator is circular in shape, but it's also conical on the bottom. And the shape combined with the flow of the water causes our heavier particles, such as our feces and our waste feed, to settle out to the bottom. And periodically throughout the day, we will come back here and we will open a valve that actually removes these waste products from the system. So after our swirl separator, the water is fairly clean, although it does still have some suspended particles in there. Our clarified water will exit out of this horizontal pipe with holes in it, and from there the water travels to our drum filter. And our drum filter is an automatic filtration system, and I'm going to give you a little look of it. We can see that it's a drum-shaped filter that utilizes a plastic mesh screen. And we can see here that the screen is somewhat see-through. When this screen gets dirty, it actually causes water to back up inside the screen, which activates a float switch. That float switch then turns on a pressure pump, a high pressure pump, which we can see here, and that provides high pressure water that turns on these water jets. And these water jets spray water at about 100 psi onto our screen material. At the same time, the drum actually starts turning. And in that way, all the mesh gets cleaned. After a predetermined amount of time, the washing or the cleaning of the screen stops and the filter goes on as normal. When the filter gets dirty again, this cleaning process happens again. After our drum filter, the water is very clean. However, it still has some dissolved contaminants in the water.